Take a close look at this.
亲爱的，对不起，我睡过头了。
爸爸，答应我，你不要哭。
Pretty impressive, right? If I told you a camera crew filmed this, you'd probably believe me. But here's the truth. I generated every single frame of this sitting right at home using only one AI platform, Hailuo 2.3. And the best part? It took me few hours to create. Hailuo AI is one of the most powerful AI video generation models out there for generating cinematic, studio-quality videos. What makes it stand out is its accurate character expressions with lifelike emotions, keen attention to detail for character consistency, and smooth camera movements with full manual control, making your scenes look incredibly realistic by faithfully capturing the tiny film details that truly bring your characters to life. I have put the link to Hailuo AI in the description below, alongside my free AI Film Playbook. Every prompt, every setting, every step I used in this exact video, plus a reusable template so you can recreate this workflow for any story you want. Grab it below so you can just copy-paste my entire workflow. Now I'm here on the Hailuo AI website, and this is how its homepage looks like. On the top, you'll find three powerful options. The Create Video button is your gateway to start generating AI videos from text prompts or images. Next to it, you have Create Image for producing AI-generated images. And on the right, there's the Hailuo Agent, which is an AI assistant that can help you with various tasks and answer questions about using the platform. You can also find these same options conveniently located on the left sidebar for easy access. Here you'll see Home at the top, followed by Agent, Assets for managing your created content, and then Video and Image creation tools. Down here, you'll notice they actually have a couple of video templates you can use for inspiration. You can also apply any of these templates to create VFX effects in your own videos by simply uploading a reference character or image. For this tutorial, I'll focus on these three main features: create video for generating videos from scratch, create image for producing AI images, and how to use these templates to add stunning visual effects and bring your creative ideas to life. There are three ways you can generate videos with Hailuo 2.3. So let's start with text-to-video for faster video generation. It's simple, just think of an idea for the video you want to create and type it right here in the prompt box. You can enhance your results by adding prompt presets and camera movement instructions if needed. Then, select the model you want to use. I highly recommend Hailuo 2.3 for enhanced quality and smoother video rendering. Next, choose your preferred resolution and duration. And here's a cool feature. If you want to generate multiple variations with just one click, use this quantity controller to set how many outputs you'd like. Once everything is set up, click this icon to generate, and within seconds, your videos will be ready. But here's the thing. If you're creating videos that require consistent characters and need more precise control over your scenes, text-to-video may not be the right choice. And that brings us to my favorite part: image to video. With image to video, you can upload your images here and then direct your scenes by adding detailed descriptions that tell the AI exactly what kind of scene you want to create from your image. This is how I was able to create those cinematic videos we watched earlier. By using this image to video feature with carefully crafted prompts, I achieved complete character consistency and precise scene control. The first thing I did was generate prompts for both my images and image-to-video sequences. I started with one short script that described my entire vision for the project. I developed and wrote this myself, then pitched my idea to ChatGPT and asked it to create detailed character profiles for each of my main characters: the father, mother, and their daughter. Once these character consistency profiles were locked in, it was time for the real magic. I asked ChatGPT to generate prompts for all the scenes I had outlined in my script. Here's my effective framework that will save you massive amounts of wasted time. When asking AI to generate prompts for your images and videos, ask it to create them as a synchronized pair. What this means is, it generates one visual anchor prompt that defines your static image with all the details: characters, setting, style, and lighting. Then, it creates a separate motion driver prompt that describes only the camera movement and action for that exact same scene. This ensures perfect character consistency when you transition from image to video, because the visual foundation stays locked while only the motion changes. Once you have all your image and video prompts ready for every scene, copy the first image prompt, head back to Hailuo AI, and click on the image button. Paste your prompt here. Then, come down here and set the image generation model to Nano Banana Pro. You'll notice they have other models available, but here's the difference. Nano Banana Pro has unmatched capabilities for generating lifelike images that turn into high-grade, studio-quality videos. By default, the image quality is set to 1K. For higher-end quality, click here and choose either 2K or 4K. I chose 2K for my project. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for that cinematic look, and set the quantity to 4 images per generation. But here's something important to be aware of. The more outputs you generate, the more credits it will cost you. You can enable this auto prompt enhancement feature, and the AI will try to enhance your prompts automatically. For me, I don't want my prompts changed, so I'm gonna leave that off and hit generate. You can see the progress here. It takes just a few seconds, so be patient with it. I trust you are smart enough, and I truly value your time. Thus, I am not going to repeat the image generation process. Now that I've generated all my images, let me show you the next crucial step in the process. Remember, you have 4 images per generation, which means you'll end up with a lot of images, and you're definitely not going to use them all. It's time to organize your assets. Click here on Assets, then select All Folders. Here, you'll see any folders you've already created. I have a few set up, but let me show you how to create a new one. Click on Add New Folder, give it a name, and confirm. After that, click on All Creations to go back to your images. As you can see, I have a ton of images here. Now it's time to review them all and select only the best ones to add to your folder. Go through each image carefully and pick your favorites. To add an image to a folder, just hover your mouse over it and click the 3 dots on the bottom right. Then choose Add To. This will open all the folders you've created. Select your folder and hit Confirm. Now when you open that folder, your image is right there, organized and ready to use. This process will save you time and credits, because you'll only be generating video clips from the carefully selected images that actually work for your project. Now that your images are ready, it's time to bring them to life and turn them into moving clips. I found 2 ways to do this. You can download them and manually upload, or drag and drop each image. Or you can use the pre-built features inside the platform. With just one single click, it will transfer your images into image-to-video engine. However, for your asset safety, I highly recommend downloading at least all the images you've selected as a backup. You never know, you might wake up one day, and the platform could have issues loading or allowing you to access them. And I know, since you might have a lot of images, downloading them one by one will waste your time. I found an easy way to speed this up. Just click on this Selections button. This enables a small select checkbox on each image, allowing you to select up to 30 images and download them as a zip file. You can also select them in batches by the date they were created. If you use this feature, it will automatically select 30 images for you to download. Alright, enough talking. Let me show you how to create a video from an image. Let's create a video for this shot of students waiting for the school bus. Simply hover your mouse over the image and click on Video It. This will take your image straight to the video creation engine. Here, you'll notice you can use the start and end frames. But to access this feature, you'll need to switch the model to Hailuo 2.0 or Veo 3.1. Since I'm sticking with Hailuo 2.3, I'm not going to use that option. Next, you'll need to add a prompt here to tell the AI model how it should animate your clip. Let me go back to ChatGPT to copy my video prompt, paste it right here, and then hit Generate. You can see the progress here. It is enhancing my prompt because I have the Auto Enhance preset enabled. There we go. The video is ready. Look how realistic it looks. I love it. You can double-click on it for a bigger preview. Pro tip, download each video as soon as it's generated. You can even rename it, create a dedicated folder, and organize all your video clips properly. Trust me, this will save you headaches later. Now, sometimes you might be on an image preview window that looks like this. To create a video from here, just click on this video button. The process is exactly the same. You write or paste your image to video prompt here. Decide whether you want to use camera movement instructions and prompt enhancement presets. Confirm your model, duration, and quantity, then hit Generate. If you have more images, just like I do here, follow the same process to turn them all into videos. The best part? If you have scenes that require dialogue or voiceover, you can use Hailuo's MiniMax audio feature to create voiceovers for your scenes. The button is right here. Just click on it, and it will open a separate interface on a different landing page. Choose voice models from their high-quality voice library. Create your voiceovers.
Sorry, honey, I overslept. 亲爱的，对不起，我睡过头了。
And if you need to lip sync your clips, you can use tools like DID or Sync Labs. Once everything is downloaded, it is time for the real magic to happen. Open your favorite video editing software. It doesn't have to be Premiere Pro just because I'm using it. It could be CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or even Canva. Create a new folder for your video assets. Give it whatever name you like. Then import all your clips and add them to the timeline one by one according to how you want to tell your story. Just like with standard video editing, polish your edits by cutting out any unnecessary parts, trimming clips for better pacing, and making sure your transitions flow smoothly. Next, layer in your sound design. Add background music that matches the mood of each scene, include sound effects to bring realism to your world, and mix in your dialogue or voiceovers. Balance your audio levels so everything sits naturally together, and apply color grading to give your film that professional, cinematic look. The result? A polished, studio-quality AI film that looks like it was made by a professional production team, but you created it all from home with AI tools and a bit of creativity. If this video gave you value, hit like and share it with someone who's trying to create with AI. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And before you go, don't forget the free AI Film Playbook I mentioned earlier. It's everything behind this video, handed to you in one clean document. The link is in the description.